Hello everybody, I am back from Cebu and today I'm going to introduce to you my family. Well, you know my husband. My husband Ray and my children, they're back here for Christmas. So here's my daughter Ria and here's Matt. Today, for this video, I'm going to teach them Visayan Cebuano 101. So I'm going to teach them some Cebuano words and it's going to be a contest. Okay? So, let's get going. First thing is, if I tell you the words, and then I'm going to give you the meaning, okay? And then, so after that, I'm going to give you multiple choice. So if you know the first person that touches this, there's a chance to answer. And if it's the wrong answer, the other person has a chance. Okay? So first word is.
Wait, it's like guess the English word?
No, I give you the English word, and then I give you the correct Filipino word first, and then later on I'll give you the English word, and then you have the choice. Okay? So the first one is please. Please. No, wait.
Oh,
please. The correct Cebuano word is paliho. Paliho. Please. Paliho. Okay. Next is listen. Listen is paminaw. Paminaw. I don't know. You should know this.
Ambot.
Ambot. I don't know, it's ambot. Next, ugly, unpleasant. Batik. Understand. Kasabot. Understand. Kasabot. Help. Tabang. Okay?
Alright.
The word is please. What?
Palihug. Palihug.
Yes.
Wait, are you going to show us the paper first?
Yeah.
Okay.
Real quick. Help! What is it?
Two bag.
You can say it nicely. 1,
Two bag.
2. Yes.
Tabang.
Tabang.
Oh, what? There's no N.
Tabang.
Oh, okay. I was reading the wrong one.
Next is understand. What?
Kasabot.
Say it.
Kasabot.
Kasabot. Next is ugly.
Forgot that.
Bati. Next is I don't know.
Ambot.
You better get this one, last one, Matt. Listen.
Dang it.
1, 2.
Panahon. No, paminaw.
Paminaw.
The winner is Ria.
Yeah.
Okay, that was part 1.
Oh my
We have part 2. Okay, hold on. Part 2 is sentence.